B12. Meat and dairy industries tell us we gotta have it. Doctors who prescribe drugs tell us we gotta have it. There's a list of 50 different symptoms supposedly indicating B12 deficiency. Pharma even has a ribbon devoted to B12 deficiency disease, just like cancer. The mass hysteria surrounding this alleged deficiency has reached a fever pitch with a ramped-up fear-mongering campaign targeting the vegan community, who are embracing it without questioning it. There's B12 patches you can wear 24/7 with side effects of blood clotting and heart failure. There's mentholated B12 inhalers made from methane. And now, vegan animal activists are doing commercials for B12?
But first, B12.
Yes, so it's not something that comes from animals. It's just that animals eat a lot of plants, and so they may have more B12 in their bodies because of the plants they eat. So everybody should be taking a B12 supplement. Take a supplement through the body of somebody else, or you could just drop it under your own tongue.
What did you say?
What supplements do you take?
I don't actually take any supplements.
No.
No. Nutritional yeast that I sprinkle on my pasta or potatoes is fortified with B12, so I don't take any supplements. No.
Just made a smoothie here. It's got flax seeds, berries, flax for omegas, and I've got some spinach in there. A bit of protein powder. Got my B12 spray. Wow. If Mother Nature intended us to be vegan, you wouldn't become anemic from B12 deficiency. Why not just spray a supplement in your mouth? Here it is. B12. One spray. Oh my God, that was easy.
Mr. Krabs, I am so confused.
This is exactly the reason the plant-based diet is constantly getting demonized for being unnatural and needing a supplement. Because vegans feed into this and refuse to question why they need to take it. A crucial, essential bacteria, but one that's marketed as a vitamin to bypass FDA regulations, that just so happens cannot be found anywhere in the intestines of humans, unlike every other single beneficial bacteria that's ever existed. And it can only be found in the dirt, yet unable to be absorbed by any of the 80,000 edible plants on Earth. And now, due to modern farming practices and sanitation, we can only get it from a drug lab that happily supplies it to both humans and farm animals. But the question is, what is this bacteria that's being used to make these supplements? Use of cheese whey for vitamin B12 production. The disposal of surplus cheese whey of food manufacturing waste is a major problem. Although whey is an edible product, the amount of whey utilized as human food or animal feed has been very small, and a surplus of unused whey remains. Surplus whey is often simply deposited on the ground, where it may kill plant growth or cause problems with odor or even pollution. The manufacture of B12 using waste from the dairy industry, toxic enough to kill plants if dumped, is a profitable way to dispose of the waste. Utilization of dairy waste for vitamin B12 fermentation. Let's stick it into vitamins and market it as a health product. Dairy propionibacteria have long been used for the industrial production of vitamin B12 by fermentation. Propionibacterium fruthenrichi is a dairy-associated bacterium traditionally used in the production of Swiss-type cheeses and also for industrial-scale production of vitamin B12. As you may or may not know, B12 is made by the same pharmaceutical companies who make vaccines. Oh, did you think there was a happy vitamin farm they made them at?
Lucky's flying away with a charm!
They're magically... Uh-oh.